What's up, my lovely students? I hope you all be fine and great. Okay, open your books at page 120. We have review here. This question want you to complete these sentences by those terms. We have groundwater, water cycle, evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Okay, we have water that fall to earth as a rain, snow, or hail. We said that precipitation is a step that the water in clouds fall in earth to earth, as a rain, snow, and hail. The process that changes a liquid into a gas. The process that changes a liquid into a gas is evaporation. Evaporation, when the sun heat the ocean water, this liquid become a gas. We named this process evaporation. The dash is the movement of water that from Earth's surface into air and back to Earth again. This process is water cycle. Fresh water found below Earth's surface, under Earth's surface, is groundwater. The process that change water vapor into the teeny drop of water is condensation. The process that change water vapor into teeny drops of water fall like rain, snow, and hail, it is condensation. Okay, now turn the page to 121. In the class we did this one, but now we will go to the page 121 because it's so important for you to examination. Okay, which of we have multiple choice here. We have A, B, C, D. You will choose just a one answer. Which is mostly water? We have rock, shells, plant, soil. These four. Which is mostly water, contain more water? Of course, plant. B. Question 2. Where does the heat for the water cycle come from? When dash hit the ocean. What is the things that hit the ocean to become this water become evaporation? Sun, soil, wind, ocean. Of course is sun. Question 3. Number 3, sorry. Fresh water is not found. Fresh water is not found. We have fresh water. Fresh water not found in this. It means it's salt water. Below Earth's surface, does the water below the Earth's surface is not fresh water? Of course not fresh water. In lakes, no, lakes is fresh water. In river, no, it's fresh water. But ocean, it isn't fresh water, it is salt water. So C is right answer for this question. Number 4. Rain and snow are forms of precipitation, transpiration, or condensation or evaporation. The last step is precipitation. A. Rain and snow are forms of precipitation. Okay, students, now open your books at page 126. We have stars and planets. we have stars and planets lessons. Okay, we said that solar system is made up mainly of sun, planets and moon. The solar system we have, the universe we say that a solar system which contain sun, planets and moons. گوتمان کۆمەڵەی خۆرمان هەیە. کۆمەڵەی خۆر پێک دێ لە sun ڕۆژ، planets هەسارەکان لەگەڵ moons مانگەکان. کۆمەڵەی خۆر پێک دێت لە ڕۆژ یاخود خۆر هەسارەکان و مانگەکان. بزانین planet بەواتای چی دێ؟ Planet is a large body of rock or gas that orbit the sun. Planet is the large body of rock or gas that orbit the sun. Look at here. This is planet. We have planet. Maybe it contains rock. It made of rock or made of gas. Made of gas. Maybe it is gas. Maybe it is rock. So this planet is large that orbit the sun. Orbit the sun. This is orbit. This planet will orbit, take around this sun. Look at here. گوتمان هەسارەکان جەستەیەکی گەورە یاخود شتێکی گەورەن لە بەرد یاخود گاز. لە بەرد یاخود لە گاز پێک دێن کە لە دەوری خۆردا دەسوڕێنەوە. لە دەوری خۆردا خولگە دەگرێن. ئەوە خولگەکەیانە، خولگە دەگرێن. Moon is a large rock object that orbit a planet. هەر پلانێتێک گوتمان لەوانەیە مونی مانگی خۆی هەبی، هەشمانە نیانە و هەشمانە زیاتر لە مانگێکی هەیە، مونی هەیە. Moon چیە؟ A large rocky object. شتێکی بەردینی گەورەیە لە دەوری پلانێتەکان ئۆربیت دەگرێن. لە دەوری پلانێتەکان ئۆربیت دەگرێن، نەک لە دەوری سان. وتمان پلانێت لە دەوری سان ئۆربیت دەگری، خولگە دەگری یان دەخولێتەوە. مون لە دەوری پلانێت دەخولێتەوە. Okay, orbit چیە؟ Orbit, the planet move in the path around sun. Each path is called an orbit. Orbit گوتمان ئەو ڕێگایەیە کە پلانێتەکان بە دەوری خۆردا پێیدا دەخولێنەوە. گوتمان هەر یەک پلانێتێک هەر پلانێتێک لە دەوری کە لە دەوری ڕۆژ دەخولێتەوە، هەر پلانێتێک ئۆربیتی تایبەتی خۆی هەیە لە ئۆربیتەکەی لانادا. We have here the solar system has 8 planets included Earth. These planets different from one another in the appearance, size, density from the sun. گوتمان هەشت بۆ خۆی زیاترە، بەڵام لێرە هەشت هەسارە، هەشت پلانێت بۆتان نووسراوە کە هەر یەکەیان دووریان لە ڕۆژ جیاوازە و قەبارەیان جیاوازە و هەر یەکەیان هەیەنە مانگێکی هەیە، هەیەنە زیاتر لە مانگێکی هەیە و هەشیانە مانگی نییە. Okay, we have 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the first planet that it is so near to Sun. After that we have Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. This is for information, not for anything. Earth, this is Earth. This is our planet that we live in it. Our planet ki eme kala seri dejin pashan hitman Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Here we have what is the solar system made up of. Solar system, we said that made of sun, planet and moon. Sun, planet and moon.